Something is living under your shower drain. And today, we're pulling it out. Every wash, you shed up to 100 hairs. They don't leave, they just move in, rent-free. Add soap scum and it becomes the clog. Ours is named Gerald. Gerald dies today. 3 things: rubber gloves, a screwdriver, and a $2 drain snake. That's it! No plumber needed. Step 1. Pop off the drain cover. Some lift straight up. Some hide one little screw. Easy. Half the hair wraps around the cover itself. Yep, that used to be on your head. Step 2. Feed the snake down. Twist twice. Gerald hates this part. Now pull, slowly, and gotcha! It's basically a small, angry wig. Goodbye forever, Gerald. Step 3. Flush with hot water to melt leftover soap gunk. Plastic pipes, hot tap only, no boiling. Still slow? Half a cup of baking soda, 1 cup of vinegar. Science, baby. Wait 20 minutes. Still stuck? Cover the drain with water. Seal the plunger. 5 firm pumps. And there it goes. Skip the chemical cleaners. They eat pipes, not just clogs. And never, ever mix 2 products. Now the real secret. A $3 hair catcher. Gerald's cousins. Homeless forever. You're welcome. 1 slow drain? You've got this. Every drain slow at once? That's deeper. Call a plumber. No shame. Water spinning down like new. About $5. Subscribe before Gerald returns.